Just orbit, no battle. All right, this is where it's going to be fun. Get some altitude, get some altitude. I want to see everybody up near the top of the ceiling. All right, up near the top of the ceiling, both of you, come on. Way up there, way up there. All right, on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. The first one through the square wins. First one through the square wins. All right, looks like we have a winner. Okay, now this guy just made $500, right? So he doesn't really need this airplane anymore. So I think we as a group should force him to go to the ceiling and drive it straight into the ground. What do you think? He's got $500. All right, who had that airplane? Who's that winner? Where's our winner at? I want to see the guy.